The VT1000 Universal Dual Display Dock from VisionTek. This universal dock enables you to expand your computer into a complete workstation. The VT1000 is ideal for on-the-go business environments that need quick access to expanded ports and universal compatibility. This full-featured USB dock allows your laptop to perform like a desktop by adding peripherals such as a full-size keyboard, mouse, external hard drive, printers, webcams, projectors, and more. This high-quality dock enables you to take full advantage of up to 2 monitors and full 1080p HD technology, even if it isn't natively supported by your computer's video card. The VT1000 is equipped with 3 USB ports, an HDMI port, a VGA port, a 2-channel headphone jack, audio line in for a microphone, an RJ45 Ethernet port, display port, and a security lock slot. Perfect for keeping cable clutter off your desk. Compatible with Apple MacBook, Ultrabook, Microsoft Surface Pro, and other Windows-based PCs, laptops, and tablets. The VT1000 Universal Dual Display Dock ships with a USB 3.0 cable, user manual, and a power adapter. The VT1000 is plug-and-play certified by DisplayLink and backed by an industry-leading 2-year warranty. The VT1000 Universal Dual Display Dock from VisionTek. Expand your laptop into a complete workstation.